In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Asana with Slack. This process is straightforward, allowing you to streamline your workflow by having your task data seamlessly shared between these two powerful tools. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to the Asana website. Once there, look towards the top right corner of your screen and click on Login. Now, if you're a regular user, you might already know this part, but for those who are new, simply choose Continue with Google for a quick login process. Make sure to select the Google account that you've used to register with Asana, as this will ensure a smooth access to your projects. After logging in, direct your attention to the left panel on your Asana dashboard. Here, you'll see all your projects listed. Now, click on the project you wish to integrate with Slack. This will take you to the specific project board where you can start customizing your setup. On the top right corner of this project view, you'll find the Customize option. Click on it. This opens up a range of features that you can tailor according to your project's needs. For integrations, we're going to focus on the Add button within the Customization panel. Click on Add to explore app integrations available for your project. Within the list of applications, look for App. Clicking on this will present you a range of apps that Asana can integrate with. Here, you'll see Slack. Click on it to begin the process of tying your Asana tasks to your Slack channels. Once you've clicked on Slack, you will find an option to Add to Project. Select this and you'll be prompted to set up the integration according to your preferences. This setup might include configuring automation to determine how data should flow between Asana and Slack. Whether you want to receive Asana task updates in your Slack channels or send Slack messages to Asana, this is the moment where you define these automations. As a final step, you may be asked to give permission for this integration. This is necessary for ensuring both platforms can communicate effectively. So, go ahead and allow the required permissions. You'll also need to provide your Slack workspace and account details if prompted. It's as simple as that. Now, with Asana and Slack working together, you can enjoy enhanced productivity by ensuring your team stays informed and aligned on all project tasks. Remember, if you encounter any issues, both Asana and Slack have extensive help sections or forums where experts and users like yourself share solutions and tips. Thanks for watching, and I hope this integration enhances your workflow.